In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. We'll start right inside your Mailchimp account. First, log in as you normally would. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the menu item called Campaigns and click on it. This will open a list of all your campaigns. Find the specific campaign where you want to add a table. On the right side of that campaign's row, you'll see an Edit button. Click Edit, and Mailchimp will open a preview of your entire email campaign. On the right side of that email preview, click the option that says Edit Design. This will take you into the email editor where we can work on the content. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel on the left with different content blocks you can add to your email. Scroll through this list until you find the block called Code. Click and drag that code block into your email layout and drop it exactly where you want the table to appear. Once you release it, the settings for that code block will show up again on the left panel. You'll see a large field where you can paste your code. In that code field, paste the table code provided for this tutorial. You can pause this video and check the video description for a link to the exact code being used, so you don't have to write it from scratch. After you paste the code, look back at the email preview. You should now see a table appear in the position where you dropped the code block. To customize your table, go back to the code in the left panel. If you want to add more rows, look for a section wrapped in TR tags. Each TR block represents a row. Simply copy one complete TR block and paste it below to create an additional row. For more columns, add more TD tags inside a TR block, making sure the number of TD cells matches your header structure. To adjust the spacing inside each cell, find the style that says padding 10px within the TD tags. Increase that number for more space or decrease it for a tighter look. For overall width, the style width 100% max C width 600px helps your table fit nicely on both desktop and mobile devices without breaking the layout. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right of the editor and click Save and Exit. Your table is now part of your Mailchimp campaign and ready to send.